Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix a failed lifetime SSL installation Hostinger. So verify your domain and remove any previously installed SSL certifications. Go to the Hostinger's control panel, navigate to the SSL section and reissue the SSL certificate, and then make sure that your DNS settings are correctly configured. Verify that the A record points to your server's IP address, and then the DNS change can take up to 24 hours to propagate fully. And then install if the automatic installation fails, try installing the SSL certificate manually using the provided certificate files. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.